Our 1986 People Power Revolution is up to now the unequaled model of common people collectively getting together to eject an oppressive regime and succeeded in doing so non-violently, to sacrifice for the common good. This was our spirit of EDSA in 1986. We were ready to go. Sacrifice your life, but besides that, your family, and besides that, your future. Goodbye na. So that's all that you have to do. And please tell that to the candidate you are voting for. They are nostalgic in a positive way about the Marshall lawyers.
Yes, po.
Yeah, and therefore they are prone to elect somebody as vice president. They should visit the Bantayog there in Quezon City. It's the names of the victims of martial law. And the most prominent among them are young people like you. Some of us old-timers have been recommending a center where the young people like you can plug in your computers and learn more about the context of the happenings in 1986.